Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know my name, I am Haley. I am a college student here at Clemson University, and I live off campus in an off-campus apartment. And for the past few weeks, I have wanted to kind of reorganize my pantry. If you guys haven't checked out my video for a few weeks ago, I reorganized my closet for you guys. Check that out. It'll be linked above and then down below in the description. But I figured I would just go ahead and kind of bring you guys along on this process as well, because it's not a closet, but it is in a way, and I've been utilizing some other cool resources. I just unboxed on my vlog that I'm doing right now, which is like the week before finals, last day of classes vlog. So if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. But I'm gonna show you guys the items that I got. So I got these two little like pantry bins here. Ignore that, it's my lunch in the microwave beeping. And I'm going to add them to what I already have. I'll show you guys now kind of the before. You can see it's a little bit crazy on my shelf, and it's just a lot going on, and that's with one bin already in there. Prior to like a week or two ago when there was no bins, it was a hot mess. We're gonna try to strategize, make this a little bit cleaner, motivate you to maybe clean up or reorganize some areas that might be getting a little out of place in your space. Let's go ahead and check out the closet. So here is the closet. I will show you guys. I have the bottom shelf because, you know, hashtag short. So I have things, it used to go all the way down there. Like I used to have my stuff even where you couldn't see it in that shadow area, but because of this bin that we got, I guess it's a little bit different than the ones I have now. But because of this bin, I was able to put some stuff, like stack it in here. With the current method, you can see there's still stuff that's just everywhere. I'm hoping with adding these two bins in here, we'll be able to have everything for the most part in a bin and have a space, you know, a lot more neatly organized. The cool thing I didn't even show you guys is it has this little like handle here. Done now. It only took me about 15 or so minutes. So here is what the after looks like. As you can see here, I have some everyday use, some not everyday use, like rice. This is like my snack bin. Like a lot of these snacks I literally just got the other day. And then I have over here sauces, syrup, and then I have my paper plates. And pretty much I was able to get everything within like those three bins for the most part. I only have like a few snacks that's on the next shelf up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this brief video. Let me know what you want to see next as far as like cleaning organization. I will have the two bins down below. That way if you want to purchase them, you can purchase them for yourself. I highly recommend. They so far are very functional. Maybe I'll give a review in a few days, like how I feel about them. Hi guys, it's a few days later. It's actually Thursday, so if you watched last week's vlog, you know that I ended the vlog yesterday on Wednesday. As you guys saw in the beginning of this video, put in those bins and did all that and said I was going to do a review. First things first, this is what it's looking like. We did have a little incident with the smaller plates there, as you can see, but they're still basically organized the same way. Found it very effective. Like I'm able to pull it out, push it back in if I need to get something. And then as I mentioned before, earlier this week, it does have these handles with these two. So it's pretty easy to just pull them forward, pull them back. So as far as my concluding thoughts on what I think about it, I think it's definitely worth the money. Again, I'll have the bins linked down below. Got them from Amazon. Not sure if I mentioned this the other day, but we also got this particular bin from Marshalls, and it's a skinnier iteration, and we just used it as a rice bin sort of, and that way we can just kind of pull it in and out of the pantry. Again, it has one of these little handles. And I guess updates to come on how we're going to organize the bottom half, because a lot of this is just boxes of appliances and items that we've been using. This will probably be the next part that I try to tackle, but I still am trying to come up with ideas on what to exactly do. So if you have any opinions, let me know down below. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will chat with you guys next time. Bye guys.